Forget bulky towers and endless cables. Apple's new Mac Mini is here, offering a refreshingly simple and compact design. But is it just a pretty face, or does it pack a punch? Let's dive into the features and see if this tiny powerhouse brings back the fun of using a computer. Remember the iconic iMac G3? The new Mac Mini evokes that same sense of fun and user-friendliness. Its small size, 5 by 5 inches, frees up desk space and gives you a sense of control over your setup. It may lack the all-in-one convenience of an iMac, but it offers flexibility to choose your preferred monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Don't let its small size fool you. The Mac Mini packs a powerful M4 chip, perfect for everyday use. Whether you're browsing the web, editing photos, or streaming your favorite shows, the Mac Mini delivers smooth performance. Apple offers a high-end option with 16 gigabytes of RAM for content creators seeking a powerful editing machine. The beauty of do-it-yourself. Freedom and choice. Unlike an iMac, the Mac Mini lets you choose your own peripherals, giving you control over your setup. Use your existing iPad as a second display, or explore different keyboard and mouse options for a personalized experience. This flexibility adds a sense of freedom and reflects a user-centric approach. Gaming on the Mac Mini? A potential surprise. While not a dedicated gaming machine, the Mac Mini's specs open exciting possibilities for casual gaming. It may not compete with a PlayStation 5, but it could handle older AAA titles at moderate settings. This might be a game-changer for casual gamers seeking a versatile home computer. The price factor, a value proposition for average users. Starting at $599, local taxes may apply, the Mac Mini offers fantastic value for everyday users. This price point makes it a compelling option for those seeking a first desktop computer or their first Mac. The lack of major competition in this market segment further strengthens the Mac Mini's appeal. Conclusion. The new Mac Mini represents a return to a simpler time in computing. It's compact, powerful, and offers a sense of freedom and control. While it may not have the bells and whistles of pro-grade Macs, its unique blend of fun design and capable performance makes it a compelling choice for average users and casual gamers alike.